say so, little nigga. Yeah, talking that shit, little nigga, don't get stuck. Beat a bitch down there and leave it, that's a risk cut. We gon' take it from you, so you better keep that shit tucked.
Ladies and gentlemen, here is your host. Sup, New York.
When I see you, I go nuts. Please, baby girl, let me touch on them coconuts. Let me get the milk with a cocoa puffs. Feeling kinda freaky, get the go-go cups. Oh shit, where's back the cat?
We're back with another cooking video. Not gonna lie, I'm feeling something sweet. And the girl is on the channel who followed me for a long time. Whenever y'all on y'all period, y'all feeling something sweet, right? Let's see. Apple pie. Egg rolls? I buy egg rolls. Now, last time we made egg rolls, we got literally the actual egg. Let's roll the clip. I literally got egg roll. That was disgusting, wasn't it? And I'm laughing back at it because I should have got the ones that I got now. So that's what we're making today. So deep fried egg roll apple pie. Shout out to my dog KO because she was the one making it and she sent it to me, so I thought I could make it myself. Anyways, let's get started. So what we have is you need egg wash, some apple pie, of course, and gonna need the egg rolls, and you're gonna need some oil and deep fryer. Now you can make this air fried. I'm gonna test that out too, but I'm gonna see which is better because I like deep fried stuff. So let's get started. Now that I got the whole thing set up after I did not do that on the video, let's get started. First things first, you need a pack of egg rolls. Slap down right there. Next up, you're gonna need your apple pie filling. Not gonna lie, if you wanna make apples yourself, you can. I went to the store and bought them myself and literally did that. Yeah. Put a little bit on there. Okay, a little bit. Not too much, but just a little bit. Just some sauce. Sauce. Basic. Come on. Get in there! I don't think it's cool. Next up, you need your egg wash. Just put it on the corner so that way the egg won't can stick. And the next thing is fold to the corner. Bam. 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 Should look like this, but mine isn't perfect. It don't gotta be perfect as long as it's an egg roll. So yeah. Let me go ahead and do the rest, and I'll get back with y'all. Alright, so now we got the filling in with the egg rolls. It's time to deep fry these bad boys, you know what I'm saying? I put it on low, not gonna lie, because I don't want to do it too high and they burnt. So, what you gotta do is just dump these bad boys in, and, I guess wait about a minute or two, yeah. Make sure you put your cap on.
They think I made it out. Push up in that hole and we gon' skate it out. But it's all we had, no love, the way it faded out. For your love, I'm trying to see what you about. Stop, Mr. Turn into a groupie bitch. Niggas on my dick when we come step and get to moving, bitch. You niggas talk too much and I be muted. But I cut my lights so I can see.
Recording in progress. Guys, finished with everything, and here's the result. Oh my! Bon appetit! Bon appetit! Bon appetit! Now we're gonna do a taste test. Not gonna lie, this is giving very much big back. Can we repeat it in the chat? Big back! I think I put too much powdered sugar, but fuck it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my goodness! This is very good. Better than last time. Better than last time. Hold on, let me take another bite. Oh my god. This shit gonna make you smack your mama.
Smack your goddamn daddy! Yeah!
This shit's gonna make you smack your mama. Oh my god. You get literally like the combination of like fucking the cinnamon, the lemon juice, nutmeg. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was heaven. Instead of making fried oils for people that I care about, I'm making this cause yeah, that shit gonna make you smack your mama. Tell y'all again, this shit gonna make you smack your mama. That I should have learned how to make this a long time ago. Like my mouth is what? Let me get one more. Cause yeah, go ahead and get up out of here. Y'all hear that crunch? Y'all hear that crunch? quickie videos like this, you guys are killing it with likes with this. Hit the like button. Also subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already, because if you're not subscribed, you're clearly missing out. And till next time, ladies and gentlemen, toodles. Oh, this shit gonna make me stronger, mama. Oh my god. You know what the rest?